In this video, you will learn how to apply for Section 8 housing in New Jersey, check for eligibility, review your income limits, citizenship requirements and household size criteria by the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs, or DAC, by your local housing authority, gather necessary documents, collect key documents such as proof of your income, social security number, photo ID, your birth certificate and even rental history. Visit the New Jersey DCA or local website. Go to the New Jersey DCA Section 8 Housing Voucher Program or the local Housing Authority PHA website to apply. Complete the online pre-application. Fill out Section 8 pre-application form with your accurate personal financing and housing information. Submit your application and save your number. After submitting, note your confirmation number or reference code. You'll need it to check your application status later. Wait for the placement on the waiting list. If eligible, your application will be added to your waiting list. You'll be contacted by the Housing Authority when a voucher becomes available. Now you know how to apply. Section 8 housing in New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.